Much of southern and central New Mexico is the high Chihuahuan Desert. Cold winters, hot summers, frequent drought. The curve-billed thrasher lives here. One might wonder why it's called curve-billed when 3 other western thrashers have bills with deeper curves. The reason is that they weren't known when this bird was first described, and the name stuck. Curve-billed thrashers loved cholla cactus. When chollas reach a height of 5 feet or more, you can bet these birds will nest in them, even around homes. Rather dull gray and brown to match the desert, both males and females have wonderful yellow eyes that glow even in the shade. In spring, when the male sings, the inside of his mouth matches the eyes perfectly. The Cactus Wren is one of the joys of the desert. Although you may see one up close, they aren't shy. You will likely hear one first. Their song, like a car that won't start, sounds like nothing else. And speaking of cars, some cactus wrens hang around desert parking lots and pick insects off the fronts of parked cars. Unique in another way, their football-sized nests, always behind the sharpest cactus spines, feature a front door, a long hallway, and a turn into the brooding chamber, and all made of just grass. Amazing birds. Visitors to the desert always want to see a roadrunner, and are always surprised that they are just as big and look just like they expected them to from the cartoon. Roadrunners are major predators and eat anything they can overpower, including rattlesnakes. In your garden, one will clean you out of lizards in a couple of weeks. It was once thought that roadrunners had no voice, but they do have a song. It is deep and hard to hear, rather dove-like, but unmistakably a roadrunner. Unlike most ground-dwelling birds, roadrunners have 2 toes forward and 2 toes back, inherited from their cuckoo ancestors. It doesn't slow them down at all.